Okay guys, I have another vinyl unboxing. You ready? I didn't open it, I just took this part off. Do you know what vinyl this is? I got. Let's open her up together. Ooh. That sound, if you hear in the background, is my dog. Okay. So it's like a matte finish. We open her up. This is what she looks like. Okay. Oh. Okay. Sorry, kind of hard to show you. Okay, you guys ready? Oh, it's in here. Okay, now let's put this in its protective case, its new home. I'm gonna take these, put them back in here. Like that. Okay, and then we need these guys. It's like rice paper for the vinyl to keep her safe. Okay, now we're done with those ones. One of these. Which way does it open? This way. Now the fun part is putting this in here. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's hard. Let's see how this one is. Oops. I was hoping this would be an easy one. This honestly is like my least favorite part of collecting vinyls, is struggling with putting the papers on them. Oh, there we go. We got her. We got her. Okay. Okay, it's a little protective thing that's waterproof. Now the back side. Here we're gonna open it. This guy goes here. There we go.